The partnership with Benton Community Foundation and the Boys and Girls Club goes way back, probably 20 plus years.
Philomath Community Services and Benton Community Foundation has been working together for several years.
Benton Community Foundation has been a supporter of Old Mill Center through its grant programs for many years.
The Benton Community Foundation is really an investment in the sustainability of our community. There are endowments that have been set up between Benton Community Foundation and the Boys and Girls Club. Everything from art, music, scholarships for summer programs, career training programs that we offer. It's pretty comprehensive. One of the projects that we're really excited to be partnering with the foundation on are the Guthrie Millsap funds. And those are really geared towards helping youth and teens get job experience in career pathways. We really focus on kids that are either low income or coming out of generational poverty, and helping give them sort of that extra support in developing their job skills, and also helping them kind of explore careers, but most importantly to build their network with local community partners is really what has made the difference for kids.
The Benton Community Foundation is great to have around to support our organization. Philomath Community Services is an all-volunteer organization. Without volunteers, we wouldn't be able to do anything. When you're carrying boxes of canned goods, maybe weighs 30 pounds or something like that, up and down the stairs, your chances of falling and having an injury or just straining yourself, obviously multiplies. This past year, we received funding to put in a lift. It helps us to move products without having to carry them up and down stairs. It costs a lot of money to operate the facility as it is, to buy the food, the supplies and things. So when we're able to receive funding from other grantors to support our work, it allows us to spread the money around in terms of what we're doing.
I believe the foundation is a real asset to our community. They generally support our programs in their pilot phase. We currently have funding for a program together with Lumina Palliative Services for grandparenting support and grief groups. And they are just one agency that says we care and we give funding for those agencies that support families in need. The funding that the foundation gives is early on, so it helps prevent more pain, more suffering, and addresses real needs quickly with the people that can best do that. So having the sense of long-term view, we will help where the help is needed, and we will give back when we can, is what makes a community strong. And the Community Foundation is part of being that strong link for our community.
I originally found out about the scholarship application through my high school. What it's done, it's taken off the burden of having to, work during the school week and try to, hold a part-time job and get those couple extra hours in.
It's comforting to know that there are the scholarships out there, that there is a smaller pool of applicants applying for. And it's also nice, I like reading the bios that are on the scholarships online. And so the last one that I got was the Charles and Elaine Sutherland one for the College of Public Health and Human Sciences. And they were both teachers, and they worked for, to promote public health. And so it's kind of cool to know that they were people that lived here in Corvallis that are now, helping you get your education in what they did as well. So it's kind of cool. Tuition is very, very expensive. And so any amount of money is very helpful because things really add up.
Between the experiences it's allowed me to have, through having that extra time to volunteer, to, helping me see, all these different things that I enjoy doing, like working with the Boy Scouts, working with the kids. The support that I received from the Benton Community Foundation has totally opened my eyes and made me want to give more back to the community, made me want to volunteer in more ways.
You might not hear from us in the next 5 to 10 years as we're starting to build our careers, but I definitely think that you will appreciate, hopefully, all the stuff that we're trying to do and what we will achieve in the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years.
The Bending Community Foundation is a way for local citizens to support those in need in our community.
I believe in it. I've seen the change that it makes, and I'm just so appreciative that those who came well before me, those Rotarians that had the vision of bringing financial resources together to make change in a community, is just something really tremendous and inspiring to be a part of.
The Benton Community Foundation provides stability. The fact that they've been around here for 65 years, that's a pretty stable organization. It allows our organization, many other organizations in the community, to be stable as well.
There's other ways to give. There will always be other ways to give, but if someone is investing in our community in Corvallis and Benton County, the Community Foundation is a solid and ongoing way of providing that support and knowing that what you give will have good stewards.